Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. OK, let's dive deep into a common, yet crucial, password form problem, enforcing and communicating the requirement of at least one special character in a password. This tutorial will cover the problem, explain why it's important, provide code examples in JavaScript and HTML, with a touch of CSS, and discuss different approaches and best practices. The problem: missing or weak password policies and user experience. Many websites require users to create passwords that meet specific criteria, such as minimum length, presence of uppercase letters, presence of lowercase letters, presence of numbers, presence of special characters, example at $% and. The problem arises when 1. The requirement isn't explicitly stated. Users submit a password that seems strong, only to be met with a generic error message, leading to frustration. 2. The validation is inconsistent or buggy. Sometimes, the regex or validation logic is flawed, rejecting valid passwords or allowing weak ones. 3. The user experience is poor. A single, unhelpful error message after submitting the form is the worst-case scenario. Ideally, we want real-time feedback. 4. The special character requirement is not clearly defined. What exactly constitutes a special character? Are all punctuation marks allowed, or are there restrictions? 5. Accessibility is ignored. Colorblind users or those using assistive technologies might not be able to easily understand the password validation feedback. Why enforce special character requirements? Including special characters in passwords significantly increases their complexity and makes them much harder to crack through brute force attacks or dictionary attacks. Think of it this way. More characters equals more possibilities. Each additional character, especially a special one, exponentially increases the number of possible password combinations. Less predictable patterns. Human-chosen passwords often exhibit predictable patterns, example sequences of letters, words followed by numbers. Special characters break these patterns. Code example: HTML structure, password form. First, let's create the basic HTML structure for our password form. Key elements. Input type equals password, crucial for security. It masks the characters entered by the user. ID equals password, used to access the password input field in JavaScript. ID equals password requirements, an unordered list, UL, to display the password requirements to the user. Elements with specific IDs, each requirement, length, uppercase, etc., gets its own list item with a unique ID. This allows us to dynamically update their appearance, example: change the color to indicate whether the requirement is met. ID equals password strength and related elements, a div that we will dynamically fill with feedback about the password's overall strength. Code example: CSS styling, style.css. Let's add some CSS to style the form and the password requirements. This CSS adds basic styling to the form, the input fields, and the password requirements list. The .met class will be used to indicate which requirements have been met. Code example: JavaScript validation, script.js. Now, let's add the JavaScript code to handle the password validation in real time. Explanation of the JavaScript code: 1. Document.add event listener, DOM content loaded, function. This ensures that the JavaScript code runs after the HTML document has been fully loaded. This is crucial because we need to access the HTML elements, input fields, list items, before manipulating them. 2. Const password input equals document.getElementById, password, this line, and similar lines for other elements, retrieves references to the HTML elements we'll be working with. getElementById is a core JavaScript method for selecting elements based on their ID attribute. 3. Validate password, function asterisk. Asterisk. This is the heart of the validation logic. It takes the password string as input. Asterisk. Regular expressions asterisk. The code uses regular expressions, /az/, /az/ /0 to 9 / at $% and asterisk, underscore plus backslash dash equals backslash colon backslash comma dot backslash slash to test for the presence of uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. Crucially, the special character regex is defined here. Asterisk /az/ matches any uppercase letter. Asterisk /az/ matches any lowercase letter. Asterisk /0 to 9 / matches any digit, number. Asterisk / at $% and asterisk, underscore plus backslash dash equals backslash colon backslash comma dot backslash slash. This is the special character regex. It matches any character within the square brackets. You can modify this regex to allow or disallow specific special characters. It's important to escape special characters within the regex, example backslash before or backslash before dash. Asterisk test, method asterisk. The test method of a regular expression object returns true if the regex matches the given string, and false otherwise. Asterisk update requirement, element, is met, function asterisk. This helper function adds or removes the met class from the list item, li, based on whether the requirement is met. The css.met class changes the color of the list item to green, providing visual feedback to the user. 4. Update strength indicator, strength, function asterisk. This function updates the visual representation of the password strength. It removes existing strength classes from the strength bar and then adds a new class, weak, medium, strong, or very strong, based on the calculated strength. It also updates the strength text element with a textual description of the strength. 5. Password input.add event listener, input, function. This line adds an event listener to the password input field. The input event is triggered whenever the user types or pastes text into the input field. This allows us to validate the password in real time, providing immediate feedback. 6. Confirm password input.add event listener, input, function, compares password to confirm password. 7. Password form.add event listener, submit, function, event. This code prevents the form from submitting if the password does not meet the validation criteria. How to run the code asterisk. 1. Save the HTML as index.html. 2. Save the CSS as style.css. 3. Save the JavaScript as script.js. 4. Open index.html in your web browser. You should see the password form. As you type in the password field, you'll see the password requirements being updated, and the password strength indicator changing based on the password you enter. Important considerations and best practices asterisk. Asterisk server-side validation asterisk. Never rely solely on client-side validation. Always validate the password on the server as well. Client-side validation is primarily for improving the user experience. It can be bypassed by malicious users. Use a server-side language like Python, Node.js, Java, etc., to perform robust validation. Asterisk password hashing asterisk. Never store passwords in plain text. Always hash them using a strong hashing algorithm like BCRYPT, Argon 2, or scrypt. These algorithms are designed to be slow and computationally expensive, making it much harder for attackers to crack the passwords even if they gain access to the database. *salt*. Use a unique salt for each password before hashing. A salt is a random string that is added to the password before hashing. This prevents attackers from using pre-computed rainbow tables to crack passwords. *accessibility*. Use ARIA attributes. Consider using ARIA attributes to provide more information to assistive technologies. For example, you could use ARIA describe EDB to link the password input field to the password requirements list. *color contrast*. Ensure that the colors you use for the password requirements and strength indicator have sufficient contrast for users with visual impairments. *keyboard navigation*. Make sure that the form is fully accessible via keyboard navigation. *user experience, UX. *clear and concise error messages*. Provide specific and helpful error messages. Avoid vague messages like invalid password. Instead, tell the user exactly which requirements are not being met. Real-time feedback*. As demonstrated in the code example, provide real-time feedback as the user types the password. This helps them create a valid password more easily. Password strength indicator*. Use a visual indicator to show the password strength. This gives the user a sense of how secure their password is. Consider a password generator*. Offer a password generator to help users create strong, random passwords. Security libraries*. Use established security libraries for password hashing and validation. These libraries are often maintained by security experts and are less likely to contain vulnerabilities than custom code. Regular expression security*. Be mindful of regular expression denial of service, (REDUS) attacks. Complex regex can be exploited to consume excessive processing power. Keep your regex simple and test them thoroughly. Password complexity versus password length*. While special characters are important, password length is arguably even more critical. A longer password, even without special characters, can be very difficult to crack. Consider increasing the minimum password length. Two-factor authentication. 2FA encourage users to enable two-factor authentication. 2FA adds an extra layer of security by requiring users to provide a second form of authentication, example a code from their phone, in addition to their password. Example of server-side validation, Node.js with bcrypt. Key takeaways*. Password validation should be comprehensive, covering length, character types, and potentially other rules. Provide clear and real-time feedback to users to improve the UX. Never store passwords in plain text. Always hash them using a strong algorithm and a salt. Client-side validation is for UX, always validate server-side. Consider accessibility issues. This detailed tutorial covers a significant portion of password form validation, particularly focusing on the special character requirement. Remember to adapt the code and the validation rules to your specific needs and security requirements. Good luck.